Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to get started with GID AI Video Generator, a platform that transforms photos into AI video presenters at scale. And I will be guiding you through the process step by step. So, what exactly is GID AI Video Generator? IG AI Video Generator is a powerful web application that utilizes real-time face animation and advanced text-to-speech technology to create immersive and human-like conversational AI experiences. It allows you to produce AI-powered videos for a wide range of purposes, including training materials, internal communications, marketing, and more, all with just a few clicks. Let's dive right into it. To begin your journey with GID AI Video Generator, open your web browser and navigate to the website g-id.com. Once you are on the homepage, click on Start Free Trial. You will be taken to the GID dashboard. At this juncture, it is important to highlight that our current status is in guest mode. In order to fully harness and explore the expansive capabilities that this platform has to offer, the next step is to initiate the account creation process. But let me assure you, there is absolutely no need for apprehension. It's a remarkably uncomplicated procedure. You have the freedom to choose the registration method that best suits your convenience, either through your Google account, your LinkedIn profile, or by simply providing your email address. It's as effortless as selecting your preferred avenue. For the purpose of this illustrative demonstration, I will opt to proceed with Continue with Google account. Once you have successfully signed in, the next step in your journey will be responding to a series of questions thoughtfully designed to enhance the platform and empower GID to offer an even more refined service. Don't hesitate to share your valuable insights and opinions as you progress through this phase. Your input carries significant weight and contributes to a win-win situation for both yourself and the broader user community, fostering an environment of continuous improvement and optimization. Your engagement is highly appreciated and makes the platform better for everyone. And there you have it. This is your GID dashboard. You are now ready to start creating AI avatars that can talk and convey your message. Now that you are ready to embark on your journey with us, let's dive into the exciting options available to you. To kick things off, you will be presented with a choice between two fascinating alternatives. You can opt to select a human presenter, or alternatively, you can generate an AI presenter. Each option offers a unique experience tailored to your personal style and preferences. If you opt for a human presenter, you will enjoy the company of a lifelike avatar that closely mimics human characteristics, providing a seamless and relatable interface. On the other hand, should you decide to go with the AI presenter, you will be greeted by a more animated and distinct persona, injecting an element of creativity and novelty into your interaction. So, the choice is entirely in your hands, allowing you to shape your experience here according to your individual tastes and desires. It is all about tailoring your journey to your liking, and we are thrilled to offer you this opportunity to make your experience truly your own. Navigating through our platform, let us shift our attention to the right side of the dashboard, where you will encounter a conveniently placed text box. This text box serves as your canvas, allowing you to craft and input your script, the very essence of your content. Now, it is important to bear in mind that for our free account users, there is a script length limitation, allowing for up to 10 words in your composition. Moreover, you have the freedom to personalize your presentation even further. You can opt to employ your own voice, lending a touch of authenticity to your content. Alternatively, if you prefer not to upload your own audio, it provides an array of voice options for you to choose from, each with its own distinct characteristics and nuances. Additionally, the platform boasts support for a multitude of languages, enabling you to reach a global audience with ease. In our next video's tutorial, I will walk you through the process of creating a customized avatar. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest tips and tricks for using GID AI Video Generator. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with GID AI Video Generator. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you in our next video.